Namaste. Welcome to Detox Issue 339. Samsung is set to introduce artificial intelligence-based commands in vernacular languages along with India-specific features for its appliances. Airtel users will receive spam alerts in their preferred Indian languages, making it easier for people across the country to understand and respond to these warnings. Meta is using AI technology to search for kids who are lying about their age on Instagram. When Meta finds an account that it suspects belongs to a teen, the platform will enroll them into a restricted teen account. According to Kantar's recent influencer marketing playbook, 67% Indians trust influencer recommendations over traditional advertisements. A further 26% also prefer influencer recommendations but remain cautious and do not trust them blindly. Google loses ad tech monopoly trial, faces additional breakups. Google plans to appeal as the US Department of Justice seeks to untether Google's ad products. Google has been found to illegally hold online ad tech monopolies. Digital characters are driving big success, despite not being attached to an actual human presence. Last year, a sample of just 300 virtual creators on YouTube earned over 15 billion views across videos, live streams, and shorts. Instagram revealed a new feature called Blend, designed to deliver a tailored Reels feed shared exclusively between you and a friend or a group chat. Access to Blend is by invitation only, and it provides a fresh, personalized selection of videos every day. LG televisions will soon use an AI model for advertising that is more tailored to users' personal beliefs and emotions. That's it from me today. Want to get more out of digital marketing? Just reply and I will have someone reach out to you today.